In this video, we're going to see how Antilles can optimize your pages for better search results. We'll start by clicking on Manage Pages. Next, I'm going to edit my page about web design. You'll notice an SEO tab at the top. The red dot indicates we have not optimized this page yet. I'll start by entering a focus keyword. Try to think of what your visitors would actually search for to find this page. Web design is a little too generic. I'm going to make my focus keyword web design for banking. When I click Analyze, I can see that my score is 67 out of 100. This provides some recommendations for improving my page. I'm going to make my title a little bit longer and include my focus keyword in the title. I'm also going to actually change the URL of my page. Now, when I reanalyze the page, I'll notice my score is improved. I still need to make one more change to my description. Notice when I change the description, I can see a real-time result of what a Google search would look like. I'll click Analyze again. Now, my page meets all of the recommendations and should perform much better in search engines.